Ladies and gentlemen, when we talk about making progress in life, there's nothing more powerful than setting clear, specific goals. You know, those dreams that are so precise, you can almost see them with your eyes open. Life has a way of sweeping us off our feet and leaving us drifting like a paper boat in the ocean. But with clear goals, you've got an anchor. You wake up in the morning with a reason, a fire in your belly. Goals aren't just fancy words on a to-do list. They're a promise you make to yourself, a promise to respect your potential, to honor the gifts you've been given. And that's not about proving anything to the world. It's about proving it to yourself. Start with one clear goal and make it personal to you. This is where everything begins, with a single powerful choice that you own. It is so easy to get caught up in the noise around us, to chase goals that look impressive on paper but do not really speak to the heart. But when you set a goal that is yours and yours alone, you tap into a source of energy and determination that can carry you through even the hardest days. So take a moment to listen to what your heart really wants. Maybe you want to learn a new skill, or maybe you want to be healthier, or maybe you want to find a job that makes you feel alive. Whatever it is, be honest about it. Let it be something that truly lights you up. Once you have that goal in your mind, write it down. Make it real by putting it into words. When you do that, you are taking the first step to making it come alive. Now do not just stop at writing it down. Take a moment to paint a picture of what success looks like for you. Close your eyes and imagine what your life will look like when you achieve this goal. Feel it in your bones. See the details. How you will feel, what you will be doing, who will be there with you. This is not daydreaming. This is planting a seed in your mind that can grow into something strong and real. Let this vision become your guide whenever doubt starts to creep in. It is not about setting a goal that is perfect or that everyone will clap for. It is about setting a goal that matters to you, something that makes you feel alive. Maybe it is a goal that seems small to others, like waking up earlier each day. But if it matters to you, it matters, full stop. That small goal can build your confidence and give you momentum. Because when you prove to yourself that you can follow through on one small thing, it becomes easier to believe in yourself for the next thing. Once you have this clear personal goal, make a plan for it. Break it down into simple, bite-sized steps. If your goal is to get stronger, maybe your first step is to go for a 10-minute walk every day. If your goal is to read more books, maybe your first step is to read one page every night. Keep it so simple that it is almost impossible not to do it, because small steps lead to big changes over time. This is not about overnight miracles. It is about building habits that stick. Hold yourself accountable, but do it with kindness. Remind yourself why you chose this goal in the first place. Put little reminders everywhere, sticky notes, phone alerts, even just saying it out loud in the mirror every morning. Let it be a part of your daily rhythm. And when the days get tough, and they will, do not beat yourself up. Remember, you chose this goal for a reason. Let that reason be your fuel. If you feel yourself slipping, take a breath and start again. No shame, no guilt, just keep moving forward. This one clear goal is your promise to yourself. It is your way of saying, I believe in my future enough to take action today. And that is a beautiful, powerful thing. So start with one clear goal and make it personal to you. Let it be the spark that lights up your path, step by steady step. Break down big goals into smaller, manageable tasks. When you have a big goal in front of you, it can feel overwhelming, like staring at a mountain you have no idea how to climb. You might find yourself standing at the base, frozen by the size of it, unsure where to even put your foot first. But the secret to climbing any mountain is to take it one small step at a time. That is where breaking it down comes in. You take that big, impossible goal and you chop it up into pieces you can actually handle. You create a roadmap that turns the impossible into something possible, something that feels real and within your reach. Imagine your goal is to write a book. The thought of writing hundreds of pages can feel like too much. But if you decide to just write one page every day, that does not sound so scary. One page is doable. One page is a step forward. And one page, day after day, becomes a whole book before you know it. That is the power of small, manageable tasks. They turn a dream into a plan and a plan into action. And action, my friend, is where the magic happens. When you break your goal into smaller pieces, you also give yourself a chance to celebrate the little wins. Each small task you finish becomes a reason to feel proud. It becomes a moment to pause and say, I did it. Those moments of pride build up your confidence and keep you going even when the journey gets tough. They are like little fuel stops on the road to your goal, giving you the energy you need to keep moving forward. Small tasks are also easier to stick to. When your mind sees a small task, it says, I can do that. There is less room for excuses, less chance of feeling too tired or too busy. You do not need a huge burst of motivation to take a small step. You just need a little bit of focus and a belief that even a tiny effort matters. And it does, because every small effort adds up. It is like stacking bricks to build a wall. Each one is a step closer to something solid and real. This way of working also helps you stay flexible. When you have a big goal but you are only focused on the next small step, you can adapt and adjust as you go. If something changes, you are not locked into a rigid plan that does not fit anymore. You can pivot and find new ways to keep moving forward. You are still heading in the same direction, but you are open to new paths that might make the journey smoother or more meaningful. Breaking it down also makes your goal feel more real. It is no longer some far-off dream in your head. It is something you are working on right now. You are not just talking about it, you are doing it. You are proving to yourself that you can take action, even if it is small. And that feeling, that sense of taking charge, can change everything. It gives you momentum, and once you have momentum, you are already on your way. Start by taking a piece of paper and writing down the steps you need to take. Do not worry about making it perfect. Just get the steps out of your head and onto the page. Then look at those steps and pick the first one you can do right now. Maybe it takes 5 minutes. Maybe it takes an hour. Whatever it is, do it. Then do the next one. And the next. Do not get stuck worrying about how far you have to go. Just focus on the next small thing you can do to move closer. Because those small things, one after another, will take you further than you can even imagine. Adjust your goals as you grow and learn more about yourself. Life has a funny way of teaching us lessons we did not even know we needed to learn. Sometimes we start out with a goal that feels so right, only to realize along the way that it does not fit who we are anymore. That is not failure, that is growth. The person you are today is not the same as the person you were yesterday, and that means your goals can shift too. Being open to that change is one of the most powerful things you can do for yourself. It is a sign that you are paying attention, that you are listening to your own heart and mind. When you set out to reach a goal, you can only see as far as the horizon in front of you. But as you walk that path, new opportunities and new ideas come into view. You start to see things you never could have imagined when you first started. Maybe you realize there is a different way to get where you want to go. Or maybe you discover that what you thought you wanted is no longer what you truly need. Adjusting your goals is not giving up. It is refining your vision so it fits more closely with who you are becoming. This kind of flexibility takes courage. It is easy to feel like you have to stick to your first plan, even when it stops feeling right, just because you said you would. But what really matters is not clinging to old plans. It is staying true to what is real for you now. Letting go of a goal that no longer fits is not quitting. It is choosing to honor the person you have become. It is about respecting the fact that you are always learning, always evolving, and that your goals can evolve with you. When you give yourself permission to adjust your goals, you also give yourself the freedom to explore. You open up space for curiosity, for creativity, for discovering new passions and possibilities. Maybe you set out to be a doctor, but along the way you discovered that what really lights you up is teaching. Maybe you thought you wanted to run a marathon, but you find out that hiking through the forest feels more like home. These shifts are not detours. They are signs that you are tuning in to what truly matters to you. As you grow, you will also learn more about what you need to feel supported and inspired. You might find that you need to slow down and take smaller steps, or you might realize that you are ready to take a bigger leap. You might discover that you need more time for rest and reflection, or that you thrive when you are surrounded by people who share your energy. All of these insights are gifts, and they can help you shape your goals in a way that makes them feel more real and more possible. Adjusting your goals also teaches you that success is not a destination, it is a journey. It is not about ticking off a box or reaching some final point. It is about finding joy and purpose in the process, about being willing to learn and grow every step of the way. When you allow your goals to shift as you grow, you are choosing to see your life as something alive and dynamic. You are choosing to trust that you can find your way, even if the path changes. It helps to check in with yourself regularly. Take a moment to ask, does this goal still feel like mine? Does it still make me feel excited and alive? If the answer is no, be brave enough to let it go. If the answer is yes, then lean in even deeper. This kind of honesty with yourself is one of the greatest forms of self-respect you can practice. It is a reminder that you are not here to live someone else's life. You are here to live yours. And that means making choices that honor who you are right now, not who you thought you had to be. Be consistent and patient. Progress is a journey. It is easy to start something when you are feeling excited and motivated, but the real magic happens in those quiet moments when the excitement fades and you still show up. Consistency is what separates the dreamers from the doers. It is about showing up for yourself every single day, even when you are tired, even when you feel like nothing is changing. Because every time you show up, you are making progress, even if you cannot see it yet. Think of it like planting seeds in a garden. You put them in the soil, water them, and then you wait. You cannot rush the seeds to sprout. You cannot demand that they bloom overnight. You have to trust that the work you are doing now will pay off in time, and you have to keep showing up, watering the seeds, pulling the weeds, making sure the sun shines on them. That is what consistency looks like. It is not about huge leaps every day. It is about tiny steps, day after day, that build something beautiful. Patience is what keeps you going when progress feels slow. It is what stops you from giving up when the results are not showing up as quickly as you want. We live in a world that celebrates quick wins and overnight success, but real, lasting growth takes time. It takes patience to trust the process and to keep going, even when you do not feel like you are getting anywhere. That does not mean you have to move at a snail's pace or stay stuck forever. It means you keep taking small steps, knowing that each one is a piece of the bigger picture. Consistency and patience also help you build resilience. When you commit to showing up every day, no matter what, you learn how to handle setbacks and challenges. You learn that it is okay to have a bad day or to make a mistake, as long as you keep moving forward. You start to see that every step, even the ones that feel small or messy, is a part of your growth. You become stronger, not because everything is easy, but because you refuse to quit. It is important to remember that consistency does not mean being perfect. It does not mean never missing a day or never making a mistake. It means coming back again and again, no matter what. It means forgiving yourself for the times you fall short and choosing to try again. Progress is not about perfection. It is about persistence. It is about believing in your goal enough to keep working at it, even when it feels hard. This mindset of showing up every day also builds trust in yourself. You prove to yourself that you can keep a promise, that you can follow through on something that matters to you. And when you trust yourself, you become unstoppable. You stop relying on motivation alone and start relying on your own discipline and commitment. That is a powerful place to be. So take a moment to think about the habits and routines that will help you stay consistent. Maybe it is setting a specific time each day to work on your goal. Maybe it is finding small ways to make it easier, like leaving your running shoes by the door or setting a reminder on your phone. Whatever it is, make it part of your daily life so it becomes something you do without even thinking about it. The journey might feel slow at times, but remember that every small step counts. Every day you show up, you are moving forward, even when it does not feel like you are laying down the bricks of your future. So be consistent, be patient, trust that with each steady step, you are becoming the person who will make that goal real. Let that steady progress be your guide. Celebrate small wins along the way. They build momentum. It is easy to get so focused on the end goal that you forget to notice all the little steps you have taken to get there. But those small wins are like signposts on your journey. They tell you, you are on the right track. They remind you that progress is being made, even when it feels slow or invisible. Each small victory is a chance to pause, take a breath, and recognize how far you have already come. When you celebrate small wins, you give yourself permission to feel proud. It does not have to be a big, loud celebration. It can be as simple as taking a quiet moment to acknowledge what you have done. Maybe you started your day with a new habit that you want to build. Maybe you finished a task you had been putting off for weeks. These moments might seem tiny in the grand scheme of things, but they are the bricks that build the foundation of your success. When you look back at them, you can see how each one made you a little stronger, a little braver, a little more ready for what is next. Celebrating small wins also helps you stay motivated. When you only focus on the big goal, it can feel so far away that you start to lose energy. But when you see the small steps you are taking every day, you remember that every effort counts. You see that you are moving forward, even if it does not always feel that way. That realization is like fuel in your tank. It keeps you going when the path feels long. These small wins are not just about feeling good in the moment. They are also about training your brain to notice progress. The more you look for small wins, the more you see them. It is like tuning your mind to the frequency of progress. You start to see every little choice, every tiny effort, as a step in the right direction. And that can change how you see yourself. You stop seeing yourself as someone who is just trying. You start to see yourself as someone who is doing, someone who is already making things happen. It is important to find your own way of celebrating these wins. Maybe you treat yourself to something small that makes you happy. A cup of your favorite coffee, a walk in the fresh air, a song that lifts your spirits. Maybe you write it down in a journal, so you can look back and see how many steps you have already taken. Or maybe you share it with someone who understands your journey, so you can feel that moment of pride together. What matters is that you do not brush these moments aside. Do not tell yourself that they do not matter just because they are small. They matter because they are part of the journey. They matter because they show you that you are not stuck. You are moving. And every bit of movement, every small step forward, is worth recognizing. When you start to honor these moments, you also start to trust yourself more. You see that you are capable of taking action, that you can keep going even when things are tough. You realize that progress is not about giant leaps. It is about the steady rhythm of small wins, building one on top of the other. It is about believing that each step matters, no matter how tiny it might seem. So take a moment to notice your small wins today. Let them be a spark that keeps you going. Let them be a reminder that you are already making progress. Let them be a quiet celebration of everything you are becoming, one small step at a time. Find people who support your goals and share your vision. There is a special kind of power in surrounding yourself with people who believe in what you are trying to do. They are the ones who lift you up when you feel like giving up. The ones who see your potential even on the days you cannot see it yourself. When you share your goals with people who understand and respect them, you create a little circle of strength around you. It is like planting your seeds in good soil. They have a better chance of growing when they are nurtured by people who care. The journey to reaching your goals can be a lonely road if you try to walk it alone. There will be days when the doubts feel louder than your dream. On those days, the voices of the people you trust can be the difference between giving up and pushing through. They remind you of why you started in the first place. They help you see that the setbacks are not the end of the road. They are just part of the process. And when you have people who believe in you, you start to believe in yourself a little more too. Finding the right people does not always happen overnight. It takes time to find those whose hearts beat in rhythm with yours. But it starts with sharing your dreams out loud. You have to be brave enough to let people see what matters to you. That can feel scary, especially if you have been taught to keep your dreams quiet. But speaking them out loud gives them power. It invites others in. It gives them a chance to say, I see you, I hear you. Let me walk with you. These supporters do not have to be perfect. They do not have to know everything about your goal. They just have to care. They have to be willing to stand by you, to listen when you need to talk, to cheer for you when you take even the smallest step forward. Sometimes they will offer advice or share their own experiences. Other times they will just sit with you in the quiet and let you know you are not alone. Both are powerful, both are important. When you find people who share your vision, you also find new energy and ideas. You see your goal from different angles, learn new ways of thinking, and open yourself up to possibilities you might never have seen on your own. It is like adding new colors to your palette. Suddenly, the picture you are painting becomes richer, deeper, more alive. The people you choose to walk with you can also help you stay accountable. When you tell someone else about your goal, you make a promise not just to yourself, but to them as well. That can give you an extra push to keep going, even on the days when you would rather quit. It is easier to stay on track when you know someone else is counting on you to keep showing up. Of course, not everyone will understand your dreams. There will always be people who doubt or dismiss what you are trying to do, but that is okay. You do not need everyone to believe in you. You just need a few good people who do. Their belief can be a light in the darkness, a steady hand when you feel unsteady. So take the time to find your people. Look for those who make you feel safe, who make you feel like your dreams are worth fighting for. Be open to connecting, to sharing, to building those bonds. Because when you have people in your corner, you are not just stronger, you are braver. You are more willing to take risks, to step out of your comfort zone, to keep moving forward, even when it feels hard. And that makes all the difference. Let go of perfection and focus on steady progress. It is so tempting to want everything to be perfect before you even begin. You want the perfect plan, the perfect timing, the perfect version of yourself to show up. But perfection is a trap, a sneaky way to keep you stuck. Because the truth is, there is no perfect moment. There is only now, and there is only the choice to start. no matter how messy it feels. Letting go of perfection means giving yourself permission to be human. It means saying, I do not need to have it all figured out to take the first step. It is about shifting your focus from the impossible standard of perfection to the practical power progress. When you let go of perfection, you start to see that real growth happens in the mess. You see that the mistakes, the stumbles, and the setbacks are not signs that you are failing. They are signs that you are trying. They are proof that you are in the arena, doing the work. And that work, even when it feels clumsy, is what shapes you into someone who can keep going no matter what. Progress does not look like a straight line. It is full of twists and turns, ups and downs, and that is okay. Because each twist and turn teaches you something new, something you could never have learned if you had waited until you were perfect. Focusing on steady progress means learning to celebrate the small wins. It means noticing the tiny steps you take each day and giving yourself credit for them. Maybe you made one better choice today. Maybe you spent 5 minutes working on your goal. Those moments matter, that add up in ways you cannot always see at first. They are the building blocks of your success, the quiet proof that you are on your way. When you stop worrying about being perfect, you free up all that energy to actually do the work. You stop wasting time trying to impress others or prove yourself. Instead, you focus on what you can do right now to move forward. Letting go of perfection also means being kinder to yourself. It means understanding that you are a work in progress. And that is a beautiful thing. You do not have to have all the answers. You do not have to be the best. You just have to be willing to learn, to grow, and to keep showing up. That willingness is what makes all the difference. It turns a big, scary goal into something you can actually do, one imperfect step at a time. When you choose progress over perfection, you start to trust yourself more. You realize that you can handle whatever comes your way, even if it is not exactly how you pictured it. You become more adaptable, more creative, and more open to the possibilities that life brings. Because you are not so focused on doing everything perfectly that you miss out on what really matters. The experience of growing, of learning, of becoming more of who you really are. You also start to notice how perfectionism can hold you back. It can keep you from even starting because you are so afraid of getting it wrong. It can make you feel like you are never good enough, no matter how hard you try. But when you focus on progress, you give yourself permission to be enough, just as you. You see that progress is not about flawless execution. It is about steady, patient effort. It is about showing up, even when you are not sure how it will turn out. Take a moment to think about how you can shift your mindset. What would it look like to let go of the idea that you have to be perfect? What would it feel like to focus on just doing the next thing, one step at a time? Let yourself be a beginner. Let yourself be messy, because in that mess is where the real magic lives. It is where you find the courage to keep going and the strength to build something real. Track your progress regularly to stay motivated. When you set out on a journey to reach a goal, it can be easy to get lost in the day-to-day grind and forget how far you have already come. That is why taking the time to look back at your progress is like shining a light on your path. It reminds you of all the small steps you have taken, all the little victories that have brought you closer to where you want to be. Even if it feels like you are moving at a snail's pace, those small steps add up in ways you cannot always see in the moment. Keeping track of your progress does not have to be complicated. It can be as simple as writing down what you did each day in a notebook, or using an app on your phone. The point is not to judge yourself or to create more pressure. The point is to remind yourself that you are moving, that you are growing. Seeing that progress laid out in front of you can be a powerful boost on the days when your energy feels low or your motivation starts to waver. When you track your progress, You also get to see patterns that might help you move forward even more effectively. Maybe you notice that you get more done when you work in the morning, or that you have more energy after you exercise. Maybe you see that certain tasks always slow you down, and you can find a way to make them easier, or to work around them. These patterns are like clues that help you understand yourself better, so you can keep growing in a way that works for you. Another reason tracking is so powerful is that it helps you build momentum. When you can see that you have already taken 10 steps, it feels easier to take the 11th. You realize that you are not starting from scratch anymore. You are already on your way. That feeling of momentum is like wind in your sails. It can carry you forward even on the days when you feel stuck or unsure. Because when you can see your own progress, you remember that you are capable of moving forward, no matter how small the step. Tracking your progress also helps you stay honest with yourself. It is easy to tell yourself that you are working hard, but when you see the facts laid out in front of you, you cannot hide from them. That kind of honesty can be uncomfortable at first, but it is also free. It helps you see where you might be holding back, where you might be stuck in old habits that are not helping you. And it gives you the chance to make changes, to keep improving, to keep growing stronger. One of the best parts of tracking your progress is that it gives you so many chances to celebrate. Every time you look back and see what you have done, you have a reason to feel proud. You can see how far you have come even if you still have a long way to go. Those moments of celebration are important. They feed your spirit and keep you excited about the journey ahead. They remind you that every effort matters, that every day of showing up is part of something bigger. You can choose how you want to track your progress. Maybe you write in a journal, or maybe you make a checklist that you can cross off each day. Maybe you take photos to see the changes over time, or maybe you make a simple chart to fill in as you go. Whatever way works for you, make it part of your routine. Let it be a gentle reminder that you are moving forward, that you are not the same person you were yesterday. Let it be proof that even the smallest actions add up to something meaningful. Let tracking your progress be a quiet act of faith, faith in yourself, in your journey, and in the power of small, steady steps.
Wait for me, girl, wait for me. Wait for me, world, wait for me. I'm chasing dreams, can't you see? I'm just a man, but I'm running free. Gonna keep running till the stars come down. I'll chase that moon till the morning's found. Wait for me, butterfly, wait for me. I'm just trying to set you free. Wait for me, worries, wait for me. I'm only human, just let me be, let me be. Gonna keep running till the stars come down. I'll chase that moon till the morning's found. I said, oh yeah, the sugar's gonna bring me to life. I said, oh yeah, the sugar's gonna make it alright. Give me that sweet apple pie. Gonna keep running till the stars come down. Chasing the moon, I won't slow down. Wait for me, butterfly, wait for me. I'm just trying to set you free. Wait for me, troubles, wait for me. I'm only human, just let me be, let me be. Gonna keep running till the stars come down. I'll chase that moon till the morning's found. until the morning's found.